Recording in progress.
This is question number 128. A block has dimensions of 1 centimeter cross 2 centimeter cross 3 centimeter. Ratio of maximum resistance to minimum resistance. Now, the resistance is given by for maximum resistance. N should be maximum and E should be minimum. The longest should be the length. और minimum के लिए opposite हो जाएगा. R max is rho into 3x upon 2 into minimum it should be rho into 1x upon 6. This 3 by 2 rho, this rho by 6. Ratio of maximum to minimum resistance would be -1. Ratio of maximum to minimum resistance is 9:1. Next is 130. The length of potentiometer wire is 5 meter. Electron wire experience of force, EMF of main cell used. हमें दिया electron experience of force. So force is electric field into charge. Electron है E into V by D. So सारी values given है, you just have to substitute. The charge on electron हमारे को पता है, and force भी given है, V निकालना है हमने कि V कितना हो जाएगा. So substitute the values and you will get the answer. For ensuring dissipation of same energy in all three resistors, they are connected as shown in figure. Their values are related as. Energy is dissipated. So basically R2 and R3 are in parallel. Guys, potential difference across them is same. I mean, the energy dissipated is same across all three. Energy dissipated is same across all three. तभी क्योंकि अगर R2 और R3 equal होंगे. If energy dissipated is same, R2 and R3 must be same. अगर हम करंट की बात करें, इसमें अगर करंट आई है, डिवाइड इक्वली I by 2 I by 2. तो इसमें करंट डबल फ्लो कर रही है, so the resistance should be 1/4. Also, current in R1 is double of R2 and R3. Like for I square R to be same. R1 should be equals to R2 by 4. And you have 140. A combination of two resistors, 2 ohm and 2 by 3 ohm are connected in parallel across a battery of 3 volt and negligible internal resistance. The energy output per second will be. You have to tell the energy output. So total power बतानी है दोनों parallel में. We are given in this form. Total power is in parallel combination T1 plus T2. This will be the total power output. So further with we will get the answer. This is like 27 by 2. Getting watt. 18 watt is the power output. An electric iron draws 5 ampere, a TV set draws 3 ampere, and a refrigerator draws 2 ampere from 220 volts. Three appliances are connected in parallel. The fuse used may be. So parallel में current act up. Total current which flows is 5 plus 3 plus 2. So 10 ampere current flow कर रही है. The fuse ampere reading should be more than that. The three appliances are connected in parallel, so you have to tell what will be the current rating. So 10 से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, at least 15 amperes. The ratio of amount of heat developed in 4 arms of each stone bridge, when arms have resistance 100, 10, 300 and 30 respectively. So हमारे को Wheatstone bridge given है, balanced bridge है. Hundred ohm and 10 ohm. 100 ohm and 30 ohm. अगर हम करंट की बात करें, करंट फ्लोज थ्रू दिस इज I. रेजिस्टेंस की रेशियो दी है, दिस इज R, दिस इज 3R. तो करंट डिवाइड्स अनइक्वली, करंट अनइक्वली डिवाइड होगी. अगर टोटल करंट I है, इसकी रेजिस्टेंस 3 टाइम्स ज्यादा है, तो इसमें करंट 3 टाइम्स कम हो जाएगी, इसमें करंट ज्यादा फ्लो करेगी. तो अगर मैं इसमें लेता हूँ I, इसमें it would be 3I. or you can say if this is I by 4, this would be 3I by 4. So you have to find how will the power dissipated be affected. So power dissipated की ratio क्या हो जाएगी? 3I by 4 I square R into 100 is 2. So with answer power dissipated. And then question number 156. A milliammeter of range 0 to 30 milliampere has internal resistance 20 ohm resistance connected in series converted into the formula to convert it into voltmeter Rx is equals to V by Ig minus D. हमें V given है, it's 3 volt, Ig is 30 milliampere minus 20. So 100 minus 20. 80 ohm resistance. 157. A lamp having tungsten filament consumes 50 watt. Assume temperature coefficient of resistance is given, temperature of surroundings is 20. When lamp burns, the temperature of filaments becomes 2500. power consumed will be. Power consumed at the moment switch is on is. So power is V square by R. और R में हमारे को relation पता है. So you can simply write that power at T degrees. RT is R naught 1 plus alpha delta T. T is equal to P naught. Alpha delta T is to power minus 1. You can solve it to get the answer. At the moment when it is switched on with Anand, you can use that as a recursive. Yeah, when we are 50 watt, alpha is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into delta T is 2300. By mistake, voltmeter is connected in series, ammeter is connected in parallel. There is resistance in electrical circuit. What happens to the instrument? Voltmeter has ideal voltmeter has a very large resistance. So effective resistance बढ़ जाएगी, current कम हो जाएगी. So because voltmeter is in series. Very large resistance. Reducing current in the circuit. Damage नहीं होगा कुछ. The B part will be answer. If the current small हो गया तो ammeter and voltmeter both will not be damaged. Nine. Consider the cylindrical element as shown in figure. Current flowing through the element is I, resistivity is rho. Choose the correct option. तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस AB निकाल लो और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस BC निकाल लो, दोनों में करंट सेम फ्लो कर रही है. Potential difference across DC is I rho. Length is L by 2. BC it would be पूरा इसमें R. Happens to the ratio or that would be because mass is 4R. Here is GDP by figure 16. So potential difference different है, electric field will be different, power loss is कोई option नहीं होंगे इसमें से. So some of these are there. Current of 3 ampere flows through a 2 ohm resistance. The power dissipated in 5. हमें दिए current of 3 ampere flows in 2 ohm resistance. इसके क्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हो गया 6. इसके क्रॉस भी 6 होगा, मतलब इसमें करंट 1.5 एम्पीयर है और इसमें करंट जो है दैट विल बी 1 एम्पीयर. दिस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस पैरेलल में तीनों के क्रॉस सेम रहना चाहिए. So power dissipated will be I square R. With 5 watt. Here given that there is 4 ohm resistance, if D divides resistance between A and D. तो बेसिकली हमारे पास ये सर्किट है, ये 4 और ये 2 यहाँ तक. ये 2 ये भी 2 ये 6 ये भी 6 and 6 and 6 in parallel, so the resistance will be 3 ohm. 4 wires A, B, C, D of 4 ohm each and a fifth wire BD of 8 ohm are joined to form a rectangle ABCD, which BD is a diagonal. ये 8 ohm है. Effective resistance between point A and B. So ये दोनों सीरीज में 8 8 and 8 in parallel 4 4 4 in series 8. बेसिकली पहले इसको सॉल्व कर दो. 8 ohm. फिर ये सारा कॉम्बिनेशन पैरेलल में 4 4 and 4 in series 8 8 and 4 in parallel. So 8 and 4 in parallel, you will get the answer. It is 3 ohm. 200 as a certain current passes through a galvanometer produces a deflection of 100 divisions. What shunt of 1 ohm is connected, so the deflection reduces to 1 division, the galvanometer resistances. So formula लगाओ, Ig is equals to parallel combination का. हमें दिया है कि galvanometer की resistance कितनी है. I minus Ij into S. Maybe the resistance reduces, the deflection reduces to 1 division. That means current 100 times कम हो जाएगी. Maximum current अगर circuit में flow कर रही है 100 ampere, तो current through the galvanometer is 1 ampere only. So, say if I is 100 ampere, Ig is 1 ampere, S is 1 ohm. 1 into 1 is equals to 99 into it will be 99 ohms.